everyone. Welcome to the cottage. I'm Joey, the Veiled Cottage Witch, and today I'm so excited because we're going to go through the Kitchen Witch Oracle by Jena Dellagrottaglia. That is such a long, hard word. I apologize. Yes, the Kitchen Witch Oracle, spells, incantations, and natural remedies. My lovely sister Selena from Essence of the Moon turned me on to this deck, and I looked through it briefly, and I'm so excited to have it in my hands. Thank you, Selena from Essence of the Moon, for doing your own review. So I'm going to be doing mine today. I'm super stoked. The one thing that I love about this deck is that for every card there is a recipe. I'm so excited. So let's see what we have in store for us. Jena Dellagrottaglia, it's going to be hard, draws on her Cochina Strega, which is Kitchen Witch heritage in this captivating spell deck. Harness the power of the elements with every draw, revealing the essence of your witchy world, pulsing with the energies of herbs, spices, and oils. Each beautiful card serves as a key to unlock the secrets of natural magic. Kitchen Witch Oracle is about mindfully taking everyday ingredients and imbuing them with intention and love to create spells, oils, and potions for healing, well-being, and manifesting your hopes and dreams. This is a rock pool deck. I usually really love rock pool, so I'm so happy. Look at this deck. Look how it just like shines, and it feels really smooth. I'm a tactile person, as you know, so let's open her up. See what we have. Okay, right here. Look, you guys know I hate blank spaces. Times change swiftly, but our traditions stay timeless, colliding old with new. Yes. Yes. I cannot stand blank spaces. So when you guys make your own oracle, when I make my own oracle, someday I will, there will be no blank spaces. Let's check out the guidebook. Excited about this. All right, right here, they tell you an introduction, how to use the cards, and then every single card is a spell. Every single one. You bet. So let's read the first paragraph here. In this deck, I invite you to immerse yourself in the mystic world of ancient herbal enchantments. Each card pulses with the energies of herbs, spices, and oils, which serve as keys to unlock the secrets of natural magic. Use these cards to create magic every day in your kitchen and your home, or draw an incantation from the deck to align your spirit and body with the day's energies. Whether you're seeking clarity or invoking abundance, it's time to get into the kitchen and cook up some spells. So then it goes into what it is a kitchen witch, a word from the kitchen witch, and then goes into how to use the cards. The only limit is your imagination, preparing to use the cards, using the cards themselves, preparing your magical kitchen, the importance of intent, stocking your ingredients, what you should have. This is great. All your magical implements you should have. This is awesome. And then get ready for the spells themselves. Now, as you're looking through, they have a little bit of what it is, what the cards mean, but the meanings are also on the cards themselves. And then it goes straight into the ingredients and how to conduct the spell itself. I love that. Yeah, that's great. Got your incantation, your meaning, and then your spell for every single one. Isn't that amazing? And then afterwards, I wonder, yep, afterwards, there's no spreads really, because that's not what this oracle is about. And then there she is, Jena herself. Look at that. Isn't that cute? That must be her daughter. Awesome. I'm excited. All right. And then at the end of this video, we're going to draw a card to see what spell or recipe is in store for us. Look at these cards, you guys. And then there's Kitchen Witch Oracle and her initials. I love that. She's put her own stamp on it. Yes. All right. Look at the gold foiling. I have found that I'm turning into quite the tarot snob. I love a deck with a good foil. Tarot and Oracle. I've just noticed that as I get older and I've been playing with decks more and more, I've been really kind of, if it doesn't have a little glitz and glamour to it, I'm not interested. All right, here we go. I'm gonna get us closer. A little bit close. Oh, sorry, went the other way with that. There we go. Oh, yeah. Okay, one is Limoncello Blessings. Oh, I love, look at the little teacups on her head. Limoncello Blessings. I ask the universe to weave threads of prosperity, joy, and serenity into the tapestry of my life, blessing me abundantly with love and fulfillment. Beautiful. 2, Focus and Alert is Simmer Pot. Oh, look, not cute. As earth and air align, grant me clarity of mind, focus sharp as the winds, rooted like the ancient trees. Ah, yes. Rosemary infused oil for wise thinking. I invoke the wisdom of the earth and sky. Let knowledge flow through me as I grow. Isn't that cute? I love this little goddess right here. That crow. Winter Simmer Pot. I am a magician of words, crafting spells and incantations with power, focus, and purpose. I love a good winter simmer pot. Get a little cinnamon, little anise in there, some oranges, nice warm little cranberries. Spell sachet for lucid dreams. I align with the earth's rhythmic cycles, expressing gratitude for every season, cultivating awareness and openness to the lucidity of my dreams. Yes. Love that. Number 6, Memory Simmer Pot. In the whispers of the ancient trees, let my memory be as clear as the bubbling streams, grounded in the wisdom of the earth. Yes. Love that. Citrus Rosemary Cleanse. I harmonize with divine energies, gracefully weaving balance and peace through my actions and intentions. Look at the kitty. Love it. Florida water. I'm going to try to make an alcohol-free Florida water as one of my friends has requested it. I'm not sure what I'm going to add instead of alcohol, but if anybody has any suggestions, I'm on the hunt. So put it down in the comments below. I'd really love the help because I'm on the search. All right, this says, I am a custodian of the earth, nurturing its needs with deep love and immense reverence and fostering balance and harmony. I love Florida water. I like to diffuse it while I'm doing an energy healing session. So, love it. Stress reliever oil. My energy is a force for healing, bringing balance and peace to the world. Go off, sister. Yeah. I love this little energy ball she has in her hand. Love it. Calming simmer pot. I embrace serenity, trusting the universe rhythm, confident that tranquility flows as things unfold in their perfect time. Yeah, she's got some fruit down here she's going to add. I love it. I love adding fruit to simmer pots. So wonderful. Chill out spell. You know what? I bet Bobby would rename this the Calm Your Tits spell. If you guys know Bobby Fierro, you'll know that's what he'd name it. I appreciate the abundance enveloping me, and I draw in even more with every breath, inviting others to honor and respect the energy I cultivate. Yes, look, she's in a library. She's got their little cat just chilling out. I love it. Oh, this is the one that's on the cover. Dispelling fears and confusion. I am a beacon of light, dispelling darkness and fear with my inner radiance. Yes, love it. Peace and soul alignment. I align with the mysteries of life, placing trust in their profound wisdom as they unlock the doors to my soul's evolution and transformation. Blessed be, sister. Love it. Look at the lock on her heart. Just needs to find the key. Love it. Oh, this is so cute. Promoting health oil. I am a pursuer of wisdom, perpetually learning and growing on my magical journey with a focus on nurturing and enhancing my personal well-being. I feel like this is all of us in the craft. We're always, I don't know, maybe not always, but I feel like anyone in the craft, they got into it to work on themselves first, and then we work on other people. At least we should, you know. Yes, enhancing my personal well-being. Yeah. All right. Ridding yourself of negative thoughts. I radiate as a guiding light, banishing darkness and fear with the brilliance of my inner glow, purging negative thoughts and inviting personality or positivity. Absolutely. We all get that every once in a while. We all should be doing this at least once a full moon. Oh, come back here. Energy boosting spell. I am a guardian of hidden truths, preserving the vital wisdom handed down through the ages, charged with the energy of sacred knowledge. Yes, Queen. Yes. Absolutely. Increase your happiness, simmer pot. You know, I've been feeling really bogged down, so I feel like I need to make one of these today. I embody the essence of a witch, a keeper of ancient arts, joyously wielding my power with love and a sense of profound responsibility. Yes, absolutely. Manifestation bundle. With every breath, I synchronize with the timeless wisdom that courses through me and the abundant energies I manifest within and around. I love all these kitties in here. Super sweet. I love this little Celtic Triskel here. Love it. Welcoming autumn, simmer pot. We'll be doing that soon. I am in harmony with the seasons, embracing their lessons and blessings. Absolutely. We're going to have Mabon here on September 21st. I'm excited. Yep. Spring beginnings jar. I embrace the natural rhythms, discovering balance in the cycles of life, and celebrating each ebb and flow as a herald of new beginnings. Yes. This reminds me of Astara. Yeah. Spring simmer pot. My intuition acts as my guiding light, casting clarity and insight upon my journey and marking each step with the promise of fresh starts. Yes, look, she's got her crystal ball going. New month money manifester. As a witch, I am a sculptor of dreams and realities, molding my destiny with mindful intention, especially in the realm of financial abundance. Go off, chicka, do it. Yeah. There we go. Good luck spell. You know, I love doing good luck spells in addition to any spells I do. It's just a little bit of insurance. I love that. I commune with the spirits of the land, inviting their wisdom and guardianship to favor my journey with good fortune and luck. Love it. Attracting love sachet. As a keeper of sacred spaces, I safeguard their purity and infuse them with positive energy, drawing in the gentle allure of love. I love that big full moon right behind her. Beautiful. Attracting love simmer pot. The elements within me harmonize, forming a steadfast foundation for my magical practice and inviting the enchanting energy of love to flourish. Yeah, look at that owl. Love potion. I am a catalyst for positive change, imparting healing and transformation to all I encounter. I recognize my inherent worthiness of love. Look at that little mouse. So cute. Fearless Adventurer spell sachet. As a conduit of creativity, I fearlessly channel inspiration and artistry, embarking on adventurous journeys that express the boundless depths within me. Yeah. New job, a raise. I bring my aspirations to life through unwavering belief, focusing on the realms of new career opportunities and enhanced financial abundance. Yeah, I love the doors. That's awesome. Yes. Protection for self, simmer pot. I walk the path of integrity and pure intentions and just actions, invoking a shield of protection around me and those I hold dear. Absolutely. I love a good protection simmer pot. It's probably the one I do the most. It's going to be interesting to look at these recipes and see how different they are than the ones that I do. Simple salt protection for home. I release doubts and fears, empowering my confidence and self-belief to rise and forming a protective sanctuary around my home. Yeah, looks like she's got all different kinds of peppers. Yeah. Home protection simmer pot. As a celestial child, I am linked to the cosmos, embracing its boundless possibilities and radiating a protective aura around my cherished home. Yeah, I love her socks. They're different colors. That's great. 32, reclaiming your power. My heart radiates as a beacon of love and compassion, infusing positive energy into every interaction as I reclaim and channel my inner power. Yeah. Removing bad luck. Look at the kitty sleeping on top of her head. I let go of what no longer serves, creating room for fresh blessings and opportunities to replace ill fortune as I embrace positive change. That's powerful. Juniper mugwort spell sachet. Yes. Nature's rhythms shape my magic as I harmonize my spells with her guiding pulse, fostering well-being in living relationships, life, and self. Yeah, that's powerful, very much. Stopping a curse. As a channel of universal love, I harness its power to bring forth positive transformations in the world, dispelling any negativity that may seek to harm or curse others. Yeah, love it. And our last one, return to sender. As a divine reflection, I shine as a spark of light within the vast tapestry of existence, capable of redirecting negativity and returning ill intentions to their source. I tend to do a lot of return to senders if and I call them reversal spells. Any ill intentions toward me, I send them right back to them. Absolutely. Absolutely. So let me get this guidebook and let's shuffle up these cards. Let's give them a good wash. What do you guys say? Let's give it a good wash. I like a good wash. Oracle salad, in other words. I just love the backgrounds to these cards. They're just gorgeous. Move out. And then we'll shuffle. Oh, they make good sound when I shuffle. Nice. Oh, I see some trying to escape. It must be one of these that wants to talk. This one wants to talk, you guys. We'll zoom in again. Oh, we got reclaiming your power. Let's look that one up. All right. Slip my glasses off because I am blind. Okay, my heart radiates as a beacon of love and compassion, infusing positive energy into every interaction as I reclaim and channel my inner power. Sometimes life can make you feel small and powerless. Get out of my head, Oracle. This candle spell will help you reclaim your power and prevent others from taking advantage of your kindness and vulnerability. Yeah, that tends to happen. All right, so here's what you need, guys. Grab a piece of paper if you feel like this is meant for you. Grab a piece of paper and a pen because I'm going to tell you what you need and how to execute this spell, okay? All right, so pause it if you need a minute. And here we go. Here's your ingredients. 1/2 teaspoon sea salt, 1/4 teaspoon red chili flakes, 1 dried bay leaf, and 1 small white candle. All right, here's your instructions. Place the salt and chili flakes in a fireproof container such as a cauldron or heavy saucepan. Look, I got a little cauldron right here. So place those into your fireproof container, cauldron, or heavy saucepan. Write on the bay leaf, I reclaim my power. Then wrap the bay leaf around the candle and secure it with twine. If you have hemp cord, that works too. I use hemp cord to do my herb bundles. So wrap it around that candle. And then place the candle in the center of the container that has the salt and chili flakes. Light the candle and let it safely burn down fully, keeping your intent and visualizing yourself stepping through a door that saturates you with your power, strength, and light. And then again, if you want to say the incantation, it's my heart radiates as a beacon of love and compassion, infusing positive energy into every interaction as I reclaim and channel my inner power. And so it is. I think I need to do this spell tonight. I think I'm going to. So this was the Kitchen Witch Oracle by Jena Dellagrottaglia. I'm gonna get it one day, just one day. It's just a long word. Yeah, I'm gonna put this one on my altar, I think. So what do you guys think? Do you think you're gonna get this deck? I would, because there's like 36 spells here. This is not just your normal everyday oracle deck. This is a spell. These are spells that you can easily do. I don't think any of them are complicated at all. So, if you enjoyed, give this video a like, subscribe if you'd like to see more, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. Please visit my website at theveiledcottagewitch.com, where you can sign up for readings with my reader, Bobby Fierro, over at Wild Raven Tarot on YouTube. You can also sign up for classes from me, workshops. You can also shop my herbal store, where I have herbal remedies. I also have spell and ritual supplies. Load up your cart and then make sure you enter the code word, all caps, veiled, to get your free shipping. That's only available through YouTube. So don't forget to do that. That's my gift from me to you. If you'd like to financially support this channel, you can do so by buying me a coffee. All the details are down below, or you can just scan this QR code right here, but absolutely no pressure. Just live your best life and live for yourself. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.